guys, I'm here to teach you how to do eyeliner. Thank you so much for visiting Artistry by Crystal and using Crystal Clear Cosmetics. I asked you what your favorite eyeliner is that you like to just put on and throw on, or what's a favorite color that you like to wear for a special occasion. Sometimes we don't really know what to use to get out of our comfort zone. So I went ahead and I grabbed a color wheel. What you want to do is you want to look at this triangle right here, and what this has is it has this little arrow. Okay, so I went ahead and I found my eye color, which is between this kind of yellowy green and also like a true green. So I have kind of a mixture of those two. When you go completely across the color palette, if I find these colors of eyeshadows, that's what's gonna make my eyes more green. So you don't necessarily need to do purple eyeliner if you have green eyes, but this is just something fun if you want to get out of your comfort zone. I grabbed my Crystal Clear eyeliner and Chansey. These are my gel eyeliners, and I went ahead and I used my brush set. And inside my brush set, when you open it up, it has your powder brush, your blush brush, your 2 eyeshadow brushes, a smudger brush, and it has this angle brush. So this angle brush is the one that I use to apply the Chansey. And then I went ahead and added a little bit of Morocco. So this is a brown color instead of going so dramatic with the eyeliner. And I looked at my color wheel and I just said, what's close to my green family? And I kind of looked at this one over here, and I just wanted to accentuate and bring out the color that I have, not do like contrasting colors complementary from each other. Then we went ahead and used some waterproof mascara. All right, so whenever I'm working with colored eyeliner, I like to keep the eyeshadow a little bit more simple. Personally, me, I feel like less is more for my eyes. So I'm gonna start off with my complementary color with my green eyes, which is Chansey, which is a beautiful purple, and it is my brand Crystal Clear. Right here, this is an angle brush. And what I like to use this guy for is stamping. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and go into our product. Get this as close to my face so you can see it. You don't wanna fluff up your brush, you want it to be a nice firm line. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my purple close to my eyelashes and using it like a stamp. So I'm not drawing it through, I'm kind of stamping. So you're just gonna do a stamping motion. And because I'm gonna use black, I'm gonna make sure to do this purple called Chansey a little thicker. So you can see it's already bringing out the green in my eyes big time. I don't need to worry about getting it so close to inside the eyelashes because, like I said, we're gonna do a darker color. So the trick doing a swish eyeliner, and you'll see it more when I do the black, but what you wanna do is you wanna pretend that you're drawing your eye larger. So here's the bottom of your eye. You wanna pretend that you're actually coming out and making your eye like you're drawing a bigger eyeball. For a perfectly set almond shape that's not hooded or anything, you just wanna make sure to just pretend that you're drawing the eye larger. If you had a hooded eye, just make sure you don't swish too high or else you're gonna lose that swish underneath the skin area. So for me, I'm gonna pretend that I'm drawing the eye and I'm gonna just do a little line here. And I'm gonna exaggerate this because my black is gonna be a little smaller inside the purple. So once you get your line, the next thing after you do your eyeliner, the line that you're drawing your eye bigger, you're gonna go ahead and connect it to the line that you drew already. And at first you're gonna see kind of a triangle. Do you see that? Make the line a little cleaner so you can see it. What you wanna do is you wanna fill inside that triangle. And I know this looks kind of funny because we don't have the black on yet, but please don't judge. Some people might like this look with a little mascara. And then you're gonna go ahead and connect it, this little line right here, where we did the actual eyeliner above the eyelid. And then you can perfect your little tiny tip of your wing. All right, so there's a really fun runway look. I love it. If we wanted to do some mascara, I mean, it depends on how bold you want to be, but this is definitely kind of raver looking to me without the black eyeliner. We're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. So that purple's beautiful. I don't know if you noticed, but it's totally bringing out my green eye. To kind of match my eye color, I have gold brown in my eyes as well. So why not take the same eyeliner and Morocco? We're gonna go into the product, get it firm into the lid. So get it firm on both sides of your brush. And then the same thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and tap, tap against the eyelash. And we're using this as a stamp. Once you get it as a stamp, you can pull through. And I picked Morocco because I felt like black might be a little harsh. So if I were to actually wear this out and not just do an Instagram picture, I would do something more natural like this. We're gonna go to take the brown and we're gonna do our same line like we were creating a bigger eye. So pretend that you're drawing up from the bottom of your eye, making a little tiny swish, like a little line right here. You can even just stamp it right there. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the tip and you're gonna connect it to the top. Then you can take your brush and fix the swish. And you're just gonna stamp it along the eyelash. And then drag through. Now if you didn't want to do this wing, you could have stopped right here and it still would have been just as pretty. But wings are totally in, so let's fly. All right, so we're gonna pretend to draw our line here and connect our triangle. So right here, I don't know if you can see it, but we're basically connecting this triangle. Okay. Then you're gonna go ahead and take a step back and make sure that we're even. And looks like I need to bring out this brown a little bit. Take a clean new brush. I'm gonna use the cat to get it firm. And I'm just gonna go right back over to make it pop a little bit more. Ooh, I love that. I'm gonna use the Crystal Clear Waterproof Mascara. And what you wanna do is you wanna go over the lash first, and then go underneath the lash. When you go over your lash, you get rid of all the powder that might have fallen when you did face powder, blush, concealer, all that stuff. So you're gonna go ahead and go underneath the lash, grip the lashes, and then twist. And when you twist, you're gripping the lashes and you're combing out at the same time. So go ahead and grip and twist. Grip, twist. Now for an eyeliner that is so dramatic like this to me on top, I don't think we should do any bottom eyeliner unless you're really going out for a night on town. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned how to do your winged eyeliner correctly. I hope that you also learned how to use complementary colors. Hope you grab that color wheel and maybe try, like if you have blue eyes here, maybe find like some peaches or some gold undertones, or even that Morocco would be beautiful on a blue eye. Just play with color and practice that little triangle in the outer corner. Practice makes perfect. I say like 3 to 4 times, you're gonna have it down. You guys make sure to look at the descriptions if you want to see the links of products to purchase, and then make sure that you follow me on Facebook so that way you can get into some of my groups and really learn the insider tricks. Thank you again for watching. I hope you had a great time. Bye.